So now we have the doubts. Let's start with the first question. If pth term of an AP is Q and the qth term of the same AP is P. Okay, so I'm writing it that Q equals to A plus P minus 1 into D. Okay, and the TQ, matlab qth term is P equals to A plus Q minus 1 into D. ठीक है, तो क्यूएथ टर्म हो गया पी और पीएथ टर्म हो गया क्यू. ठीक, सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट, फर्स्टली वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड डी. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू divide. Okay, I'm going to divide it. No, we have to subtract it. We cannot divide it, we have to subtract it. Subtract first equation from the second equation. So in the left side we can see that q minus p term will be there, and a will be subtracted from a, that will be 0, and here it is p minus 1 and minus of q minus 1. Okay, and the d is d must be the common for the both, so d will be outside. Okay, now this is q minus p equals to, you can see in the bracket that p minus 1 and minus comes under to the bracket, that makes minus q, and minus 1 multiply with the minus 1 will be plus 1. Okay, multiply by d, 1 will be cancelled out. Okay, in the bracket, that will be p minus q multiply by d, and in the left side it is q minus p. So d equals to q minus p upon p minus q. Okay, we can write in this form, that minus we can take as a common, and this will become p minus q, and at the bottom it is also p minus q. Okay, so p minus q will be cancelled out with the p minus q, and minus 1 will come. So d equals to minus 1. Okay, now we are going to put this value of d into first equation. Okay, in the first equation, that is q equals to a plus p minus 1 multiply by d is minus 1. Okay, okay, I think it's fine. Okay, it's fine. So now the q equals to a minus p plus 1. Okay, so a equals to q plus p minus 1. A equals to q plus p minus 1. We have the value of a. Now we can find out the nth term. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the value of a and d in this equation. A equals to q plus p minus 1, and at the place of d we can put minus 1, because we have the value of d equals to minus 1. So n minus 1 multiplied by minus 1. After simplifying, q plus p minus 1 minus n plus 1. 1 will be cancelled out, and this will become q plus p minus n. That means the nth term of the same AP is q plus p minus n. So this is very simple. We have to only remember the formula of nth term. Okay, nth term. Now the second question. This is also once again very simple. We have to make. We have to understand the concept of arithmetic progressions. Okay, so the arithmetic progression is like 9. Second question, I'm doing this now. 9 a b and then minus 6. Okay, so we know that the common difference of an AP must be same for each and every steps. Okay, here it is also d, here it is also d, here it is also d. Okay, so I'm going to find out the common difference of the first and second term. Okay, so second term, that means d equals to a minus 9. Okay, and at the last we can find out that is uh, that is d equals to minus of 6 or minus of b. So what is the common difference? The next step to the just previous step. Sorry, the term. The next term means the second term minus first term, third term minus second term. In the same way, at the last term minus the prior to the last term, okay, that is b. So we can see the both are same, means both are the common difference, so we can write a minus 9 equals to minus of 6 minus of b. Okay, and in the question it is getting asked that what is the value of a plus b. So I'm going to just make it in the left side, that is a plus b, and that is minus 6 plus 9, a plus b equals to 3. This is the answer. Very, very simple question. I don't know why they are asking for as a doubt, why they why they are facing difficulties in this type of simple problems. Okay. Anyway, next is question number third. Question number third. Question number third. In a trapezium ABCD, okay, ABCD. Let's see which is A, which is B, which is C, which is D. Okay, I think they must have given some hint. What is AD? AD is 4 centimeter. If the diagonal, sorry, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. That means this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now AD, no, this is wrong. 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 The AD must be parallel to BC. That means this is AD and this is BC. So the sequence is like in clockwise direction A, B, C, D. Okay. Okay. So this is parallel to this side. Okay. Now what is the value of AD? AD is the 4 centimeter. AD is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now the diagonals. I'm going to draw the diagonals with the red color. These are the diagonals. Okay. And this is O. It has been mentioned that they are intersect at each other at O, such that AO upon AC, AO upon AC, AO upon AC, sorry, AO upon OC equals to 1 upon 2. Okay, and second is DO upon OB is also equals to 1 upon 2. DO upon OB, DO upon OB. So which side is higher? Means AO upon OC is equals to 1 upon 2. That means AO is half of the OC, right? And DO is half of the OB. That means OC equals to twice of AO, right? OC equals to twice of AO. And OB equals to twice of DO. Okay. So we can see that we have to find out, means this is OB. OB is twice. I'm writing it 2, but not we can write we cannot write 2 exactly. So I'm writing it 2x. So OD is x, right? Because OB is a twice of OD, DO. OB is twice of DO. So I'm writing DO as a x. So we can write OB equals to 2x. In the same way, if I'm writing AO equals to x, AO equals to x, so OC equals to 2x. Okay. So now we have two triangles. First is OBC and O triangle AO, triangle OAD. Okay. So we can see that two sides which are in a ratio, common ratio, and one angle is common, vertically opposite angle. So we can apply SA S. Two sides are in a ratio like x upon 2x and this x upon 2x. Okay, and one angle is equal. So we can apply the similarity properties. Triangle OBC is similar to triangle OAD. So if two sides are in a common ratio, same ratio, then we can say that AD is half of BC. I think I have drawn this diagram inversely. Means we have to draw this diagram in this way: A, B, C, D. That will be corrected. Okay, because we can see that that x is lower than 2x, but we can see in the diagram that OB is lesser than OA or OD, right? But it is OD is larger than OB, so we have to draw this diagram, right? So no matter the diagram is but we have to understand uh, कौन सी साइड ज़्यादा है कौन सी साइड कम है ओके सो इन द सेम वे ए डी इक्वल्स टू 1/2 बी सी okay because with the similarity property and we can write AD equals to 4 then BC equals to 8 AD equals to 4 so BC equals to 8 so this is the answer. Now the next question is question number this is question number 4. Question number 4. So many times I have given the formula for difference of the roots, but I don't know why students are asking so many times uh, difference formula, difference of the roots. So we know the sum of the roots formula, that is minus what is minus b upon a, and the product of the roots equals to c upon a. So what is the formula for the difference of the roots? So we know that alpha minus beta equals whole square is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, minus 2 alpha beta. If I add 2 alpha beta and subtract 2 alpha beta, I think there will not be any change in the equation values, means left side equals to right side still the same. Okay, so using these two terms and with this term we can make the formula of alpha plus beta whole square minus of 2 alpha beta. Okay, minus of 2 alpha beta. So alpha minus beta whole square equals to this value, these values. So alpha minus beta is square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus of 2 alpha beta. Okay, now we have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, so we can put the values of alpha beta and alpha plus beta in this square root, and then we can get the value of difference of alpha beta. Okay, so here in this question alpha plus beta equals to minus of minus 20 upon 4, that is plus 5, and alpha into beta equals to minus of p square upon 4 c upon a, that is fine. Now we can put these values 5 and minus p square upon 4 in the square root. Root of alpha plus beta is 5 square minus 2 into alpha beta is alpha into beta equals to minus of p square upon 4 minus of p square upon 4 minus of p square upon 4. So the root 25 and plus 2p square upon 4, 2 2s are 2, and this is the answer. We have 25 plus p square upon 2. I don't know, yeah, the students who have given this doubt have written this equation correctly. Okay, so as per this equation, the answer is what we have. Okay, I don't know why the p is given in the question. I think there must be the value of p. I don't know why he has given that. This is this is here and the value of p. Okay, I don't know. So whatever the value of p, we can put the value of p here and we can find out the difference of the roots. Now the we are heading toward the next doubt. रोटेट करके देते हैं बच्चे, इसको सही करके नहीं देते हैं, इमेज को सीधा नहीं भेजते हैं, बस अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभा देते हैं, भेज दिया क्वेश्चन. Now you can rotate it and solve the problem and send the solution. That's it. चलिए मैं इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार पढ़ लेता हूँ. पढ़ना क्या है इसमें, ये क्वेश्चन बोला गया है कि सपोज मैं इसके स्केल फैक्टर पे बात कर लेता हूँ. स्केल, ठीक है, स्केल पे बात कर लेता हूँ. क्वेश्चन क्या है, he has asked about the scale model, right? So I'm going to solve the problem accordingly, and it is given that there is a overhead tank. Obviously we have seen this kind of overhead tank in some colonies. So the height of this tank is also given wherever is situated. uh, a scale model of the water tower, sorry, scale model, yes, scale model of water tower of 100 centimeter is created. 100 centimeter, so the radius is 100 centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter. We means the someone has created a model of the radius of 100 centimeter, right? At the same time, sorry, created the height of its pillar is 75 centimeter. Height is 75 centimeter. What is the height of the pillar in the actual water tower? What is the height of a pillar in the actual water tower? So I think there was given something else also. The water tower cast a shadow of 25 meter. At the same time, a tree near it cast a shadow of 5 meter. What is the height of the tree? What is the height of the tree? So previously it is also given that some concrete water towers have been built to supply water to the localities nearby. They are usually mounted with a cylindrical tank. A water tower for a locality is 440 meter high. Okay, a water tower for a locality is 40 meter high. Means actually it is made of कंक्रीट. ओके, कंक्रीट से बना हुआ है. इसकी एक्चुअल हाइट जो है वो दिया हुआ है कितना, इट इज गिवन दैट 40 मीटर हाइट. ठीक है, और इसका रेडियस हमें नहीं पता है, एक्चुअल रेडियस नहीं पता है. सो दे आर आस्किंग फॉर द एक्चुअल हाइट और एक्चुअल, व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द पिलर इन द एक्चुअल, सॉरी, the actual height is they are asking if the condition is different. What is the height of the tree? What is the height of the tree? Okay, the total height is given, that is 40 meter. 40 meter total height is 40 meter, right? Okay, so the first question is, the water tower cast a shadow of 25 meter, of 25 meter. जो शैडो बन रहा है उसका लेंथ कितना है, 25 मीटर. ठीक है, 25 मीटर का शैडो बना रहा है. ये कितना है, 25. एट द सेम टाइम अगर एक ट्री है, ट्री नियर इट्स कास्ट अ शैडो ऑफ 5 मीटर, देन व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. तो एक ट्री है जिसका जो शैडो है वो कितने का बन रहा है, 5 मीटर का शैडो बन रहा है. तो ऑब्वियसली मैं हम लोग को हाइट ऑफ द ट्री निकालना है अगर, तो रेशियो हम निकाल सकते हैं कि एच टी अपॉन 5, क्योंकि सिमिलर ट्राइंगल है. तो एच टी अपॉन 5, और यहाँ पे कर लेंगे 40 अपॉन 25. So we can find out the HT, height of the tree, that is 5 into 40 upon 25. So 5 5 ja and 5 8 ja. That HT equals to 8 meter. The height of the tree is 8 meter. Okay, you can write in a proper manner that similar triangle here it is formed because the shadow is making at a same angle. Angle is same, and this angle is also same, and this angle is will also be same. Okay, so the similar triangle concept is here. And next is a scale model. The second question is asking about some scale model. Means if we make the tower in a different ratio. Okay, so the model we are creating, this is the model of the tower, in which the scale model of a tower of 100 centimeter height created, 100 centimeter. Then the height of its pillar is 75 centimeter. Heights of the pillar is 75 centimeter. So the height of this container is 25 centimeter, obviously. Okay. What is the height of the pillar in actual water tower? Height of the pillar. So in the actual water tank, the total height is 40. Total height is 40, and here it is 100 centimeter. 100, yeah, this is 100 meter and this is 100 centimeter. Okay, and this height of the pillar is to be find out. The actual height of the pillar, HP, is to be find out. That is HP upon, here it is 75. Okay, so the HP equals to, and this is centimeter. Okay, HP equals to 40 meter into 75 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter. Centimeter will cancel out to each other, and then 25. 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja, and 4 10 ja. So the HP, the actual height of the pillar will be 10 meter. Okay. Okay. Next is, someone has made a scale model of water tower of another locality. The radius of the reservoir in the model is 6 centimeter. Okay, the same model in the same ratio. The model we are making must be in the same ratio. Okay, so the radius of this model is radius of the model is 6 centimeter. Okay, and its volume is 216 centimeter cube. The volume of this container is 216 centimeter cube. The radius of the actual water reservoir is 2.5 meter. Okay, the actual reservoir have the radius of 2.5 meter. Okay, so we have to find out what is the height of this container. Height of the container, that is hc. Okay, so what is the volume of this cylindrical object? So we know that the cylindrical object having the volume of pi r square h, and that is given, that is 216 centimeter cube. And what is the radius? Radius is 6. So pi, radius is 6 square into h of the container, that is hc, equals to 216. What is 6 square? 6 square is 216 into sorry, divided by 36, and divided by 22 upon 7, the value of pi. Okay, so we are going to cancel it. 6 3 ja 18, and 3 is carry, 6 6 ja 6. Okay, 6 into 7 upon 22, 42 upon 22, that is 21 upon 11. This is the height of the container, and this, I think, this must be in the centimeter, height of the container. Okay, is it correct? Yes, 42 upon 22. Okay. Okay, so hc of the container divided by rc of the container must be equals to, and this is the model, equals to hc upon rc of the actual container. ठीक है, तो hc की जगह पे मैं क्या रख दूंगा? 21 अपॉन 11. rc की जगह पे ये गिवन था, rc कितना है? 6 अपॉन 6, इक्वल्स टू, यहाँ पे क्या दिया हुआ है ऊपर? रेडियस कितना दिया हुआ था? 2.5 मीटर. 2.5 मीटर, सॉरी एच सी निकालना है, हाइट ऑफ द कंटेनर, क्योंकि हमको, और ये एक्चुअल है, डिवाइडेड बाय आर सी इज 2.5 मीटर. ओके, ये मीटर में है, ये सब सेंटीमीटर में है, तो सेंटीमीटर सेंटीमीटर कट जाएगा. 21 अपॉन 66 इंटू 2.5, एंड दैट इज इक्वल्स टू एच सी ऑफ एक्चुअल कंटेनर. अब इसका हाइट हमें पता है, और एक पूछा गया व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर. तो आप निकाल सकते हो कि ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर क्या है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर ऑफ इट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. आर आपके पास है 2.5 मीटर, एंड एच आपने अभी निकाल लिया है एक्चुअल का, दैट इज दिस वैल्यू. ओके, पाई की वैल्यू आप 22/7 ही रखेंगे ताकि कुछ वैल्यूज कट जाएं. ठीक है, देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कंटेनर. That's all from all the doubts. Thank you.